Do you like the expanding water hose? I do. I love them. They're lightweight. They don't kink. They're inexpensive. They're easy to hang up, easy to transport. They do a great job. They just have one flaw. They're really, really crappily made, and they last a few months, maybe a year, and then they're going to pop. And I'm going to show you how to fix that for $1. Hey, I'm going to attempt to repair these expandable hose. It popped right here, which is where most of them pop, right where you screw it in to the house. And when it does, the rubber just retracts. So I had to cut off. You can feel on there until you find the end of the rubber, which is right here. And then you put a clamp on it where it won't go any further inside there and cut it off. Now, this piece here, it has that press-on fitting. Ooh, I'm a little tired. I've just got to mowing the grass. And I'm going to take a Dremel tool and cut that off and then use a clamp, a hose clamp, to put it back on and see what happens. Hello, Nick. Hope that don't hurt me. I'm going to wrap this up all the way up to the top because you don't want to put your hose clamp over in contact with the rubber because you're just going to cause it to. So I'm going to put it right up next to the collar. Tighten this down. I think this is about as tight as I'm going to get it. Okay. Okay, I'm going to wrap a little electrical tape around it. So, won't cut you. Okay. Those are sharp. Okay. How's that? I'm going to take the clamp off. Everything seems to be holding. Let's try it out. Okay, you're going to find out with me whether this works or not. Now, I'm not sure that this sprayer is a good sprayer. It may leak from the bottom here, but what I'm looking for is anything coming from this. Well, let's find out. Let me turn it off so it'll build up pressure. It's expanding good. This drip, that's coming from this sprayer. There's a bad washer in it, but it's holding good. All right, That cost, I paid $3 for 4 of the hose clamps, and that's all I had to buy. So less than $1 to fix this. Not bad.